Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. Okay, and also like my video. Okay, so today topic is BaseCache in LangChain core. So in LangChain core ecosystem, caching is the vital strategy for reducing the cost and latency by storing the result of LLM call. The BaseCache class is the abstract foundation that all specific implementation like Redis, SQLite or in-memory inherit from. So what is BaseCache? So BaseCache is the abstract base class which is ABC that defines the interface of how LangChain interact with the storage layer. By standardizing this interface, LangChain allow you to swap out your caching memory, okay, from local to production level also without changing your core application logic. So core method of the core method are like lookup, which is look up the value based on the prompt, okay, and the LLM string. The second is the update, which you update the base cache on the prompt, and third is the clear, which clear the cache memory. Okay, so cache interface provide in asynchronous version of each method. Okay, so you use it this abstract ABC class, and we have different method like lookup, update, clear, asynchronous lookup, asynchronous update, and the clear method. Okay, so let's see one code example here. So here base cache. So same like our previous video. So here we implement one in-memory cache also. Okay, is it is same like base cache? Base cache is for creating the abstract class. Okay. So here when user asks the question, yeah, okay. So for my first question is like what is the capital of France? So I got the response. The capital of France is Paris in within of 1.073 second. Okay. So when I ask question again, what is the capital of France? So it is already stored in the memory. That's why it takes 0 0.0 second with the same answer. Okay. So third is like so base case. So it is a blueprint. Base case is a part of LangChain core. Okay, it exists to ensure that no matter what the database you use, like Redis, SQLite, or MongoDB, the rest of the LangChain know exactly which method to call up to force every cache you have. Okay, same like I earlier explained, like lookup method, update method, and the clear method. Okay, if you want to create custom cache for the nice database like LangChain, so that time it doesn't support yet. Okay, in the base cache. So in previous video and also I explained. So what is in memory cache? So it is a default tool in memory, and it is the simplest implementation of base cache, and it stores the LLM prompt and the response in the standard Python directory. Okay, so what is the prompts here? So it gives us the speed, assess the RAM, it is the fastest possible way to retrieve the data. Zero configuration needed here. Okay, so we can also use so it doesn't need to install like database like Redis or manage file path like SQLite. Some cons are there. It is volatile and it use the memory. Okay, so if you are example, if you have thousand of long conversation, it will eat up your computer RAM. So question is, which one should you use? So use in memory cache, because when you are prototyping or running or single session script, when you don't care about the saving the cache or for tomorrow, that time you can use in memory cache. The second is when we use base cache. So only if you are developer looking to build a brand new caching plugins for the LangChain ecosystem. And we have some one example like SQLite or Redis cache if you need to the cache to stay alive after you turn off your computer. So it is like a database. So whatever the memory you have, it is already stored in some database like SQLite and the Redis cache. Okay, so here some difference is like BaseCache have some abstract interface like blueprint, and in memory have some function call like like we have done earlier. Okay. The second is the storage location. So we didn't need that is not defined by subclass, and it is stored in the your memory RAM. Okay, can we use it directly? No, but yes, you can initialize it. Okay, persistent, yes, we can depend on the implementation, and here it's like data is lost when you script end. Okay. Primary purpose is standardize how cache behave, and in memory cache is like quickly temporary storage for development or testing. Okay, so this is a base cache. Um, so that's it. If you like this video, so you can like the video, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.